Hi students, welcome to Whiteboard Tamil. It's time to learn best. Hi students, today நம்ம problem solving and Python programming unit 1ல இருக்க important Anna University 2 mark தான் பார்க்க போறோம். First question, what is algorithm? Second, write an algorithm to accept two numbers, compute the sum and print the result. Third, write an algorithm to minimum in a list. Fourth question, distinguish between algorithm and program. Fifth, list the symbols used in drawing in the flowchart. Sixth, give the Python code to find the minimum among the list of 10 numbers. Seventh question, how will you analyze the efficiency of an algorithm? Eighth, how do algorithm, flowchart and pseudocode use for problem solving? Ninth question, write an algorithm to find smallest among three numbers. 10th question, which is better, iteration or recursion? Justify your answer. இந்த 10 question தான் வந்து first unitல இருக்க யூனிவர்சிட்டி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின். நம்ம வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.